It's Drapefit time, so if you want to see what they sent and if they sent some spring or summer essentials and how those things look on, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me this evening. They're at home, but I'm at my mom's house and I got in a Drapefit tonight. So the last time around, they sent some really cute pieces. There was a shirt, a blue and white H&M striped shirt that I kept, and it was a pair of earrings, piece of jewelry, anyway, that I kept that I really liked. So they sent another one right back out, and let's see what we got. Now, I do have a code down below that gets you a little bit of money off. This is a stylist subscription service. The styling fee is $10 and you do not get that back. So it's just $10 for that. However, they do have much more reasonably priced items than some of their competitors. So that being said, I do get this without paying a styling fee. I pay a $1 styling fee and they give me $20 off of my purchase. So that is just kind of to let you guys know the code I have is not an affiliate code. It does give me, I think, $10 off of a future fit as well, but it definitely gives you guys some money off. I think it's $10 or $20. The information's right there. All right, right on top, I think because I liked and kept that blue and white shirt, they thought, okay, maybe she'd like another one. So this is a different type though. This has a button all the way up. Not really sure. It's a pretty color, absolutely. I do like the length of the short sleeves, but I'm not really a button-up kind of gal, so I'll have to see what I think about that. And there's no name brand on that. Next, we have this top. So it's kind of flowy. It's got some embroidery in there, as you can see right there. You do have to wear something underneath. Not only is it sheer, but there are those holes in the embroidery. Same on the back. And I mean, it's cute. It's by Les Den. I've never heard of that brand, but I mean, it is cute. It might be a little bit more floral than I like. I'm kind of moving away from florals. I don't know. I'm just starting to kind of feel overwhelmed by them. This is by Sheila Rose. And, you know, it's got some long sleeves. And it looks like it's kind of a cardigan. By Hayden Los Angeles is this dress. Now, let me try to get this. Okay. So I'm a little confused by these straps. Let me try to figure this out here. All right, so it looks like there's straps here, but then also kind of a racer back. And it is a longer dress, which is nice, but not like totally too long. Pretty color. All right, it is a floral print, but it's a lighter one. Feels like a nice cotton material too. And we have a pair of Lee jeans. These are in a short length. They look to be maybe a straight leg. It's a curvy fit. They've got a lot of stretch in there. There is the back pockets. All right, we're going to try these things on and see what our winning item is. So I will be right back. Here is that first shirt. So it doesn't actually button all the way. It just buttons to here. And it is cute, but I did just get that blue shirt in the last one. So I'm probably going to pass on this one because they're similar enough. I don't really need two of them. But it is certainly cute. And here are those jeans. So they are a boot cut. But nothing special about this particular outfit. So we're going to try on the next shirt. Okay, so I am back with this top, but I did forget to go over prices. So this blue top here is the plaid print button-up roll top, no name brand, and that is $30.50. Again, cute, but kind of looking for something different than, you know, what I got last time, which this is very similar. All right, so I mean, this is cute, but I think it's just a little too much for me. There is a little button in the back. I mean, it's different. It's different than what I normally wear. There is that. But I do feel like it kind of widens me up in this area, and this is like, I don't even know what to do with all this foof. So that's probably going to be a no for me. Chloe would probably really like this. So if there's nothing else that I'm like crazy about, maybe I'll see if she would like this. This is the Laden front tie pullover blouse, and that is $24.99. So not a bad price. And the pants are the Lee Curvy Fit boot cut jean, $44.99. All right, so next I have that dress, and she did recommend with that dress to put the cardigan on. So we're going to try that on and see what we think of that. All right, I am back with this yellow dress. I had so many problems putting it on. I had the straps all over the place, crisscrossed in the front. Pretty sure they don't go that way. There's no zipper, so it was a little weird getting it on. Like, I don't know. It's got pockets. Do I see myself wearing this? No, I don't see myself wearing this. I gotta be honest with you. I don't think it's a very flattering shape for my figure. Maybe my daughter might enjoy it, but for me, it's just not, it's not a good shape. It kind of fits odd through here. I don't know. All right, here is that little cardigan that they recommended I put on with it. It's very cozy, very soft. All right, it does look very cute together. And I mean, the dress I could probably pull off with the cardigan, but of course in the summertime, you know, I wouldn't necessarily want to. Again, it's a very cute dress. It's got very cute details. Just for my figure, which is a little more curvy, it's not really doing much for that. This though, I really like this. I don't know, this is a great length. So I'm gonna see if my daughter likes this. Maybe I'll keep these two pieces and she can wear this, and I could wear this, and she can wear these two things together. So I don't know, we'll see about that. I probably won't have a decision before I post or before I edit this. So if I do though, I'll put that information there because I'm going to send her pictures and see what she likes. All right, well, that is my drape fit. And I have to say, these aren't awful items. Like, these are all pretty cute items. Even that shirt, like I wasn't crazy about, looked kind of cute on. It just looked a little bigger up here and a little more poofy than I like, but it certainly is a cute dress, shirt. I could see my daughter 100% wearing that. The blue top I liked, but it just wasn't unique enough to my wardrobe, being that I just got a shirt very similar to that last fit. This is a cute, cute dress, very lovely, very dainty flowers. It looks super cute with the cardigan over it, I think. It's just, I don't have that many opportunities to wear a dress, and I have several dresses from Wantable. This one with my current figure is just a little bit showing a little more curves than I would want to show. But I think my daughter would really, really like it. So I may keep that for her, like I said, with this. And I don't know, we'll see if she likes that top. All right, well, that is all I have for now. The jeans, I didn't give you the prices. What are the prices? What am I doing? The jeans I also liked, but do I need another pair of jeans? And the answer to that is absolutely not. Okay, so the dress. This is the textured lace detail strappy back dress. It is $29.99. That's a really good price for a dress. And the Sheila Rose front tie cardigan is $26.99. So reasonable prices. Like, this is the kind of prices, you know, the whole entire box is $125.99. And that includes the sales tax and the 25% off if you purchase all 5. So without purchasing all 5, it's $157.46. But then there's the discount for purchasing all 5. If I purchased all 5, I would also be able to use my $20 off. So I would bring it down to $105.50. So not, like I say, not a bad price at all. That is for 5 items. That's pretty good. That's like 20 bucks an item. So yeah, I'm not mad about that. All right, but let me know, what did you like? Let me know your thoughts, and please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.